The staff and associates of the Historic Hotel Bethlehem welcome you to Bethlehem and our award-winning hotel. Whether you are here for business or for pleasure, it is our pleasure to make you feel at home while you're with us. Please relax and enjoy this brief introduction to the Hotel Bethlehem's amenities and surrounding features.
Hello, I'm Dennis Costello, General Manager of the Historic Hotel Bethlehem. Thank you for choosing the Historic Hotel Bethlehem on your visit to the Lehigh Valley. You made the right choice. Both the hotel and the staff are one of a kind. We take great pride in our friendly and professional service.
Welcome to the Historic Hotel Bethlehem.
If we overlooked anything, please let us know. For a traveler, it's good just to come to a hotel and be greeted by a warm, familiar face.
Bethlehem is a dynamic city rich in its historic significance. The hotel is located in the heart of the Moravian National Historic Landmark District with its museums and original 18th century structures still in use today. A short stroll up Main Street leads you to Historic Bethlehem's Visitor Center. Directly across the street from the hotel, you will find the Moravian Bookstore, which is the world's oldest continuously operated bookstore. Main Street features art galleries, quaint one-of-a-kind boutiques, specialty shops, and even a Celtic shop. Located nearby at the former Bethlehem Steel Plant, Steel Stacks is a magnificent 4-story performing arts center. It features 3 outdoor performance venues in the shadow of the iconic blast furnaces. Each spring, Bethlehem is host to the Bach Festival. In August, the Historic Hotel Bethlehem is at the center of the 10-day Music Fest celebration. Fall brings the Celtic classic Highland Games to our neighborhood. The entire hotel staff contributes to the spirit. There is no more beautiful place to spend Christmas than in Bethlehem, the Christmas city.
Bethlehem and the Lehigh Valley are home to some of the top universities in the country, such as Lehigh, Lafayette, DeSales, and our neighbor, Moravian College, right here on Main Street.